everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share some winnings I received from Michelle Randolph, who is Shabby Chic Chick here on YouTube. She was part of a collab with Robyn and Pitt's Sir Chauncey Rocco Designs, a Merry Craftmas series. And look at this gorgeous MDC memory dex card, and look at the dimension on this. Isn't that gorgeous? And I just love the paper she used, all the details with the sprays. There's a snowflake and some little picks, and there's this pink candy cane, and I just love it. And she's got some flowers and just beautiful layers. And I'll show you the back too. Even the back is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much, Michelle. It's just beautiful. And she sent me a candy cane. Thank you so much. And also a sweet little tag. Says Merry Christmas, Michelle. And she also sent me a bag of candy. Thank you so much. And I will definitely repurpose this bag. So thank you so much, Michelle. I really appreciate it. And everyone, I'm going to leave the link down below to her YouTube channel and show her some love. And I thank you all for watching. Bye for now.